Hello guys, welcome to another video of Tech Team. Hope you guys having a nice day. Today in this video, we will going to learn how can you delete a YouTube channel on iPhone. So at first, just go to your YouTube. Now just click the top right, your profile icon. And here you can see in the top, manage your Google account. Click on it. Now here you can see data and privacy. Click on it. Now just scroll down. And here you can see delete a Google service. Click on it. Now you need to just give your email password. After giving your email password, here you can see YouTube, and beside YouTube there is a trash bin icon. Click on it. Now the second option is I want to permanently delete my content. Click on it. Now just select these two steps and click on delete my content. Now just type your email address here and click on delete my content. So guys, that's how you can delete a YouTube channel on iPhone. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.